So what TRID states is that when you have the ingredients for a TRID app, the clock starts ticking for you to provide and build a loan estimate, build and provide a loan estimate. So what are those ingredients that would define a TRID application? Page number 4, letter A at the top. There are 6 ingredients, hence the number 6 on the screen. You have to have the applicant's name. If you're at all good with customer service, you'll be able to get that one. Income. Now notice it doesn't say verified income. It could be a verbal. So Diane is my prospective applicant, and I get her name, Diane Dean. I say, all right, Diane, what kind of income are we looking at here? And she gives me a number. I write that down. I have it. Next, we have her social security number. If I get that, that's so I can get a credit report. By the way, that credit report is the one verification document that you're allowed to quote unquote require at this point in the game. Property address. Now, these next 3 items kind of all go together. If I get the property address, I should be able to arrive at the property value estimate. Notice it's not a verified appraisal at this point. And notice that property address doesn't include the term purchase agreement. If Diane tells me she's interested in 123 Oak Street, that's all I need. Again, no verifications at this point in the process. And then the loan amount. Now, I know we have applicants that come in and say, well, I don't know how much I can afford. Then you need to help them arrive at the loan amount. A part of this is you doing your due diligence to arrive and help get to where the applicant needs to go. So the trigger is when we have the 6th item, the clock starts. That's the trigger to start the clock to get the loan estimate built and out the door 3 business days later. So we need to make certain that we're documenting that milestone along the way. That's going to be an important concept in showing and demonstrating compliance with the TRID requirements.